Hello guys, this is Ada. Welcome to Durmapress. This is our plate rolling machine model, designed for stable performance and reliable daily operation. During operation, the machine runs smoothly with solid structure and consistent rolling edges. Every detail is built to ensure strength, precision, and durability. Before delivery, each machine is fully tested in our factory. We focus not only on performance, but also on long-term reliability for our customers. What you see here is real testing, not just a demonstration. Quality you can see, stability you can trust. Real factory, real machines, factory tested, ready for delivery. The machine's here and I'm here too. Every Durmapress plate rolling machine isn't just for show, it's for you to come and inspect anytime. See you next time.